Hello, students. Let us begin with the reading comprehension Leafcutter Ants by Mickey Sadel. In the tropical rainforest and subtropical forests of Central and South America lives a species of ants that could be the smallest recyclers on Earth. They are leafcutter ants. These ants travel through the forest looking for leaves which they cut with their sharp jaws. They put the leaves on their backs and return to their underground burrows, where they chew them into a pulp. The pulp is integrated into a fungus garden. The fungus provides the ants with their food. The ants don't eat the leaves they cut and their living space, and they also provide important nutrients for the plants growing on the forest floor. A leafcutter ant can carry almost 10 times its own weight. That is like a 200-pound man lifting a 2,000-pound car over his head. The leafcutter ants live in a highly organized and efficient society with as many as 5 to 10 million ants and up to 7 different categories of work depending upon the size of the individual ant. The queen is the largest, over an inch long, and her only job is to lay eggs. During her lifetime, she could lay as many as 50 million eggs. The male ants are small, have wings, and fly from the colony to mate with the queen, then die soon afterwards. The soldiers protect the colony and defend the lines of ants who are out collecting leaves. Worker ants belong in several different job categories. Some collect the leaves, some tend the eggs, others feed the colony, and some even have adopted elaborate behaviors for taking care of the fungus crop by grooming, cleaning, and pruning it. A specialized group of ants are the trash workers who carry out the old garden materials and dispose of in, in specific refuse dumps. This is very complex society of ants has an important impact on the tropical ecosystems in which they live, and the lesson they teach in showing how individual jobs all work together for their common good is invaluable to the society to the scientists who study them. Leafcutter ants. What happens to the leaves that are cut and carried away by the leafcutter ants? The ants place the leaves on the forest floor. They grow into new trees. The ants place them near fungus on a tree. The ants take them underground and chew on them. Complete the table below. Table type of ants and the job. Queen, queen's job. The type of ant, mate with the queen. Soldiers, find the job. Workers, different jobs. Example, collect leaves, find the job, find the job. Taking care of fungus crops. If you wanted to see leafcutter ants in the wild, where might you go? Oregon, Italy, Panama, Madagascar. What do leafcutter ants eat? Leaves, fungus, seeds, small plants. Leafcutter ants match each vocabulary word on the left with its definition on the right. Pulp, fungus, refuse, pruning, society, tend, nutrients. Answers: cutting off dead parts of a plant. B. Group of people or animals that work and live together. C. Soft wet mass of material mush. D. Spore producing organisms such as mold and mushrooms. Materials in food needed to keep a person or animal alive and healthy. Material thrown away, garbage. Take care of. Now let us look at the answer key. The first one, the answer is D. The ants take them underground and chew on them. Queen lays eggs. Males mate with the queens. Soldiers protect the colony. Workers tend the eggs and feed the colony. The workers also accept, carry out old garden materials and dispose of it. If you want, the answer is Panama. Fourth, the answer is fungus. For match the following, for pulp, the answer is option C. Fungus, it is option D. Refuse of option F. Pruning option A. Society option B. Tent option D. And nutrients option E. Thank you very much for your kind attention.